Hello, I'm Keith Au, Vice President of Sugatsune America. Today, we're at the IBS 2026 show. Typically, when you talk to contractors who are building pocket doors, they have a lot of challenges in terms of installation as well as maintenance. Our engineers took a look and wanted to make sure that it was easy for whoever's installing it, whoever's designing it in to be able to specify it. And then at the end of the day, the homeowners who are actually using the sliding doors. That's most important. Our FD120 is re-engineered and upgraded with new rollers, as well as a two-way soft close mechanism. This allows less than 5 pounds of pull force to open and close the door. With our new features, it is very easy to install for builders. There is a two-part track, which allows you to remove the track, slide the door out, and again, you can change the door, you can change the hardware. We've partnered with a company called FD Pocket Doors. Now we not only supply just the hardware, but we have the whole frame system. This makes it faster, easier for installation, allowing builders to get it in and out, build within 20 to 30 minutes. For the homeowners, they get their sliding door completed a lot faster as well. Sugatsune is the booth to come to if you're looking for new, innovative, and unique products.